watchman of the house. Thank God for our watchman. This pastor has been called by God and sent by God. Thank God for this pastor who blessed us today. So he's a preacher from Preachersville. Shame on him for tricking us. I sure had my hand right around there. Till I thought about what he said. There may be someone today who, after hearing this man of God, hearing these choirs and others who have come forth, may be ready to make a decision now. That I want that kind of watchman in my life. I appreciate having Pastor Maxwell in the watchtower. Maybe you don't have a relationship with the Lord today. Maybe you've never been a part of anyone's church. Today is a good day to make a decision to let Jesus be the watchman of your soul. You ought to get to know him today. The preacher told us about him. He's a friend above all others. He's a mother for the motherless. He's a father for the fatherless. He'll be to you whatever you need him to be. If you would simply make your mind up to come to him. The doors of the Lord's house are open now. Would you come, man, woman, boy, or girl? Not worried about what your neighbor is going to think or what somebody else is going to say. If you're grateful for the things the Lord has done, your neighbor does not have a heaven or hell to put you in. I could go on and on. Where are you today? Because the enemy is on his way. If you need him, you can come now while blood runs warm in your veins. Let me see the hands of the grateful folk in this house. Come on, Lord, you didn't have to do what you did, but because you did, I am grateful. Come on, if he healed you, you ought to be grateful. If he saved you, you ought to be grateful. If he brought you out, if he made a way, if he turned your life around, you ought to be grateful. This is your opportunity. Don't let it pass you by. Grateful, 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 don't let it be said too late. If you know you need him in your life, bring it to him now. Come on, if you love God today, would you put those blessed hands together and tell the Lord, I'm certainly grateful. Amen. Amen. The offer has been extended. Yours to accept or reject.